If Canva is showing a 502 error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. A 502 error is often temporary, and most of the time it's caused by a server issue, a slow connection, cached files, or a browser extension interfering with Canva. So before you start panicking, just follow these steps one by one. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, open Canva and simply refresh the page. Sometimes the error happens because the page didn't load properly the first time, and a quick refresh is all it takes. After refreshing, wait a minute or two and try again. If Canva's servers are temporarily overloaded or under maintenance, the issue may clear itself after a short wait. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make Canva fail to load correctly and trigger an error. To test this, open your browser and search for speed test. Run a speed test and check whether your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping out, try switching networks, restarting your router, or reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Once your connection is stable, go back to Canva and test it again. If Canva still shows the 502 error, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached images and files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop websites from loading properly. In your browser, click the three dots in the top corner. Go to Settings, then open Privacy or Privacy and Security. Find Clear Browsing Data, then make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. You can leave cookies alone for now if you want to stay signed in, but if needed, you can clear them too. Then click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close the browser and open Canva again. Another very common cause is browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. These extensions can sometimes interfere with Canva's scripts and prevent the page from loading correctly. To check this, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. Turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions, especially ones that modify website behavior. Once they're disabled, refresh Canva and see if the error is gone. If it works, you can leave that extension off while using Canva. If you've gone through all of these steps and Canva still isn't loading, try opening it in a different browser or in an Incognito window. That can help you figure out whether the issue is with your browser or with Canva itself. But in most cases, one of the 5 steps I showed you, refresh, wait, test your internet, clear cache, or disable extensions, will fix the 502 error. So to recap, start by refreshing Canva, then wait a little, check your internet speed, clear your browser cache, and disable extensions if needed. Those simple steps solve the issue for most users. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.